Do you know the secret to getting the light right in your home? The trick is all about adding light in layers. The first layer is ambient. It's the light that illuminates the entire space. Every room needs a base layer of ambient light, even if it doesn't light every corner. Rooms like this one that get a lot of natural sunlight during the day don't need extra ambient light, but at nighttime, they do. Here's how to add it. Install a chandelier, pendant, or flush mount to the center of a room. Position these closer to the ceiling to diffuse more light. Mirrors and lighter paint hues help to bounce ambient light around too. The second layer is task lighting. Think about morning and evening activities where you want direct light for things like reading, cooking, and brushing your teeth. Here's how to add it. Some places to add task lighting are lamps next to your bed, pendants above the kitchen sink or island, and sconces over your bathroom vanity. Swing arm wall sconces will save space on your nightstand. Make sure pendants are at least 48 inches above tables and kitchen islands. The third layer is accent lighting, which illuminates specific details of the home, like art, photos, and architectural details. Here's how to add it. Floor and table lamps are the easiest to work into your home. Just plug them in to boost the light. Wall sconces can be hardwired relatively easily. Some even have wall outlet options, so all you have to do is install it on the wall and plug it in. Or you can incorporate track or recess lights to create a dramatic mood. Thanks for watching. The finished result will add dimension to your room and make your home look balanced.